Hello. So today we are going to start our chapter 2 of class 10th, Polynomials. I'm Vidushi, and in this videos you will find each and every assignment of chapter number 2 with all the conceptual clarity of class 10. So first question you might ask me, why chapter 2 of and why not chapter number 1? So basically, I'm assuming that we haven't this chapter was in class 9th also, and we haven't studied anything in class 9. Or if you have studied, you might have forgotten everything. So this chapter is related to your concepts, and that's the reason why we are starting from chapter 2, not chapter 1. Actually, this video is just a basic introduction, like what do we do, like what are polynomials, and why we are studying this chapter. So first question you might ask is, what is polynomials? Exactly. So polynomial, it's very fantastic and interesting to understand. So basically, René Descartes is a person who discovered polynomials in 1637, right? 1637. So these polynomials are just algebraic expressions. So what does algebraic expression mean? So basically, when you look at these concepts of your class 7th, algebraic expressions. But don't worry, there's no only few concepts to be done, only one concept even. So you say, if you're having 5x, correct? So this 5x is a term. So what does term mean? Basically, x is known as variable. 5 is known as the coefficient, right? Coefficient of this variable, which is x. And we combine this coefficient and variable together, we'll be getting a term, T-E-R-M. Term is there, correct? So in polynomials, you are having only one variable, that is only one alphabet is there, you say. So here we are having this variable as x. So when these variables join together by the help of mathematical operations, what does this mean? Positive sign, negative sign, multiplication, division. Basically, when you connect all these terms together to form an equation, equation is what? Which is having equals to sign. Equals to sign is there, that is known as equation, which is having LHS left-hand side and RHS side, right-hand side. Correct? Recap. So what is your polynomial? Polynomial is basically these terms. Terms means which is consisting of a coefficient and a variable. Variable means any alphabet is there. Unknown terms are there. And 5 is your, and in this case, 5 is there, which is your coefficient, the number which is joined, number of variable. Anything which is joined with this unknown value is known as your coefficient, correct? And this is forming an equation. Equation means what? Which is having equals to sign. Therefore, this is having two sides, LHS left-hand side and RHS right-hand side, right? Second concept. In polynomials, there is a term known as degree of polynomial, correct? So what does this mean? So let's say this is a variable. Let's say this is a variable, x power 5 plus x power 4 plus x power 3 plus, let's say 7 is here, right? You will say that this is a polynomial equation. Why? Because it is having only one variable, one type of variable, that is only x is there. Second, it is having equals to sign, right? And third is what? Power. Power means this, 5. X in this x power is 5. 4 in this term, x power is 4. In this term, x power is 3. So whichever is the highest power in this equation is known as degree of polynomial. So if you say this power is 5, x power 4, power is 4, this term is having power 4, this term is having power 3. And when you talk about this 7 thing, so 7 is not having any variable. Power is of variable only. Therefore, 7 power shall be 0. Correct? So I shall write here 0. So which one is the highest value? 5 is the highest. Therefore, 5 will be known as degree of a polynomial. Okay, so this is just a basic introduction. What is polynomial? But you might now ask me, why are we studying polynomials? what is its real life relevance? I know all these questions flood your mind when you're studying polynomials. So basically, you see, polynomials are everywhere. I'll give you an example with roller coaster. So have you seen that roller coaster ride where all these curves are here, and this ride is very interesting and scary? You will be fascinated to know that all these curves in a roller coaster ride has been drawn by using polynomials. In short, wherever the curve is there, polynomial is there. So you might be studying polynomials in economics, because in economics curves we have to study. Or if you are taking math major in your after this class 11th and 12th, and if you are even studying math in class 11th, there are some curves to be studied which is used by polynomials. So I guess that's a basic introduction of what polynomial is and why we are studying the entire chapter and why we are suffering. And this person has discovered this thing in 1637 and we are still studying it. So it must be very important. So this is just a basic introduction video. In next video, we will study each and everything from NCERT. This purpose of making this video is only to make you understand the basic understanding of the chapter with conceptual clarity. Okay, as a personal tutor myself, I know that some students might not be having the opportunity to get everything served in video classes and all. So this video is specifically for them. I want you to have one separate notebook plus NCERT book, hard copy, PDF copy, anything will work. And let's get started. See you in next video. Bye-bye.